Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how you can properly text the Smartsupp chat window. This is a very basic technique, but at the same time it is a very important one since it can have a significant impact on how many customers send you a question or contact you. So let's get down to it and see how it works. In this example, you can see how a chat window looks if your photo or logo is missing, and the text of the chat window is very basic. As you can see, this eShop has only photo chat written, along with a promise to respond customers immediately. You have to keep in mind that if your chat window looks like this, you will receive very few questions from your customers. Not giving your potential customer a fast reply can very easily backfire, since this will lose the visitor's interest and results in a missed business opportunity. If your chat window looks like this or similar, you are most likely losing lots of new potential orders, and I advise you to update it as soon as possible. On this eShop, you can see what the chat window looks like when you fill in all the fields. It looks much better, right? And believe me, the potential customer interaction would significantly improve compared to what we saw in the first example. All you have to do is fill your customized text in the chat window, which you can do simply by clicking on the Settings tab in the Smartsupp dashboard. After this, you will click on Chat box and then go to Design and Text tab. For example, when you are online, you can write an informative message to your customers that says something like, "Write to us, we are happy to help you." And if you are not online, you can display a message that says something like, "We are not here right now, please leave us a message." You can add these texts, which will be displayed when you are online and offline right here. Your photo or company logo you can add by clicking on the menu item Profile. Using your own text in a chat window will only take you a few seconds to do. Adding this text is very important, as it affects how many customers will write to you. If it's not done correctly, it could result in customers not writing to you very often, if at all. Believe it or not, small changes like this can achieve very positive results. If you are interested in other tips that will show you how to work with Smartsupp to its full potential, be sure to have a look at our Smartsupp Academy, where you can find many helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.